Hello my friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious blueberry jello, creamy and perfect for the holidays. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This amazing blueberry creamy jello, these are the ingredients: water, 1 condensed milk, 2 packages of blueberry jello, and 1 cream cheese. This is everything we need to prepare this amazing and delicious holiday jello. So let's get started. I want to start by preparing my mold for my jello. I am going to add a little bit of vegetable oil, and with a napkin I am going to really cover the whole sides, every crevices. This part is very important because you want your jello to come out perfect. And here I am going to add hot water, 3 cups of hot water, and of course I am going to add the blueberry jello. I am going to incorporate both packages for about 3 to 4 minutes, making sure that the jello really dissolves into it really good. And now I have my blender cup here, which I'm going to go ahead and add my cream cheese, my condensed milk. This jello really comes out really creamy and delicious. I'm going to add the mixture of the jello. I added, remember, 3 cups of hot water, and now I am adding 3 cups of cold water. And I'm going to add everything to the blender. You want to make sure that you add the cold water afterwards when the jello has dissolved completely in the hot water. Once this is done, now we are ready to go and blend it completely for a couple minutes, making sure that everything is incorporated. Now I am ready to start adding all the mixture of the jello into my mold, making sure that I put it in slowly so that it doesn't create too much bubbles. Of course, I'm going to put my mold in the refrigerator and leave it overnight. Make sure that you cover it with saran wrap right on the top so it doesn't absorb the flavors of the refrigerator. Okay, after the next day, now I'm going to wet my hands just a little bit, and I'm going to start pulling the jello from the sides, pulling it towards inside and then the center, making sure that I pull the sides down, and then I'm going to tap it just a little bit to release it from the mold. And now let's reveal. Let's see how this blueberry jello comes out. Like I say, this jello is perfect for the holidays. The holidays are around the corner, and let's enjoy this amazing jello with our beautiful family. I can't wait to taste it. It looks amazing, and I am sure that it's going to taste delicious. Nice and creamy, and like I said, perfect for the holidays. So I'll see you in just a little bit. I am ready for the presentation. I am completely done with this amazing creamy blueberry jello. Perfection made at home. The holidays are just around the corner, and I want you to enjoy this amazing dessert. Nice and creamy and delicious. But this is the part I really love and enjoy. Tasting my recipes. Look at this. Excuse me. The flavor of the blueberry is so intense, but yet it's nice and creamy. As soon as you put it in your mouth, it really dissolves. Taste those amazing flavors. Like I always say, when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. I hope you make it and you enjoy it for the holidays. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of my family. I want you to be ready for the holidays. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.